Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum first year. This is Dr. Rana Fatma, your new physiology demonstrator. Today we are discussing the practical phenomena of tetanization in nerve and muscle preparation. Principle of this practical is if a muscle is stimulated at higher frequencies, there are sustained tonic contractions. The nerve muscle preparation is stimulated at different frequencies. In this practical, we will learn the effect of increasing frequency of stimulation on nerve muscle preparation and physiological basis of summation, therapy, incomplete and complete tetanization. Requirements of the practical are dissecting instruments, kymograph, nerve muscle preparation, frogs, saline or 0.65% normal saline, Ringer solution and frog. Okay, coming towards the procedure of this practical. First of all, stun pit and dissect out nerve muscle preparation. Fix it in the muscle trough. Tie tendon to the liver by a thread. Place sciatic nerve on electrodes. Fill the trough with saline or Ringer solution and fill ink in the recording pen. Then adjust the speed of kymograph at 40 mm per second, frequency 5 per second. Mode is fast and repetitive and amplitude is moderate. Now record the baseline and switch on the stimulator and record contractions on 5 per second. Now change the frequency, increasing the frequency to 10, 15, 20 or 25 per second and increase in the frequency till the complete tetanization takes place. Now allow the 15 to 30 seconds for recovery between each phase of stimulation for some normal saline, meanwhile to prevent nerve and muscle dryness. Okay, moving towards the observation. Apply repeated stimulation at 15 per second to produce summation of the contraction. And when the rate of stimulation is increased up to 15 seconds, we will get the summation of the waves. And when it is increased up to 20 seconds, staircase or trippy phenomena is occurred. In 30 seconds, incomplete tetanization, and 40 to 100, above 40, complete tetanization is going to be occur as it is shown in the graph. On the y-axis we have degree of contraction, on the x-axis we have the rate of stimulation. As we are going to increase the frequency from 5 to 15 and then from 15 to 30 there is incomplete tetany, and above 40 tetanization, complete tetanization of the nerve and muscle fiber occur. Precautions to be taken during this whole practical is that always prepare this nerve and muscle preparation with all possible care, especially using a glass rod. Before starting the recording, set the kymograph and check all the electrical connections before you start the practical. And always use frog saline if Ringer solution is not available. Don't change the amplitude during the recording, and do not stimulate the muscle for the prolonged period of time. First year, this is the kymograph. You people are already familiar with this. And we stun pit and dissect out the nerve muscle preparation and fix it into the muscle trough. This is muscle trough. Tie the tendon to the liver. This is liver. This is vertical arm of the liver. So you are going to tie the tendon to the liver by a thread and place the sciatic nerve on the electrodes. So here are electrodes. Fill the trough with the saline or Ringer solution and fill the ink in the recording pen. So you are going to adjust the speed of the kymograph here on the 3, which is the 2.5 mm per second. Frequency is 5 per second. Mode is fast and amplitude of the voltage is moderate. Now you are going to record the baseline and switch on the stimulator and record the few contractions. Change the frequency to 10 stimuli per second and record the few contractions. Similarly, record contractions at frequency of 15, 20 and up to 40. Keep on increasing the frequency till the record of complete tetanization is obtained. Now allow the 15 to 30 seconds for recovery between each series of stimulation, and pour the normal saline or ringer solution on the muscle and the nerve to prevent drying of the preparations.